Imagine a drone so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so intelligent it doesn't even need a controller to capture cinema-grade footage. For years, the world of drones was divided. You either had expensive, bulky professional rigs that required a license and a mountain of gear, or you had cheap, selfie toys that produced grainy, shaky video. But today, the rules of the game have been rewritten. We are standing at the dawn of a new era in personal robotics. This isn't just about a flying camera. It's about a personal, autonomous filmmaker that lives in your pocket. This is the story of the DJI Neo 2, the drone that has officially made every other beginner drone obsolete. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a content creator, a hiker, a traveler, or just someone who loves the latest tech, you need to stop what you're doing and listen closely. We have spent weeks digging through the latest leaks, FCC filings, and supply chain data to bring you the full picture of what DJI has done with this second-generation marvel. The original Neo was a surprise hit, but it had its flaws. It was a bit loud, the battery life was just okay, and it struggled in the wind. But DJI hasn't just updated the Neo, they have rebuilt it. By the end of this video, you will understand why the Neo 2 is the most dangerous competitor to the iPhone's camera dominance, and why the US market is about to see a massive shift in how we capture our lives. Let's start with the heart of the dragon, the camera and the gimbal. In the original Neo, we had a single-axis gimbal. It was fine for casual shots, but it lacked that pro cinematic feel. The Neo 2 has shattered that limitation. Sources and early hands-on leaks have confirmed a two-axis mechanical gimbal, tilt and roll, working in perfect harmony with the next generation of rocksteady and horizon balancing technology. This means that even if the drone is being tossed around by a 25-mile-per-hour gust of wind, your footage looks like it was shot on a high-end Hollywood dolly. But it's not just about stability, it's about the raw data. The Neo 2 features a 12-megapixel, half-inch CMOS sensor, but with a massive upgrade in aperture to f/2.2. This change isn't just a number on a spec sheet. In the world of photography, a wider aperture means more light, and more light means better low-light performance. You can now film during that golden hour, at sunset or in dimly lit indoor environments without the grainy digital noise that ruined so many shots in the past. And the resolution. We are looking at 4K video at a staggering 100 frames per second. Think about that for a second. A drone this small can capture 4K slow motion. You can turn a simple walk through the park into an epic, cinematic slow-motion sequence that looks like a high-budget commercial. Now, let's talk about the brain. This is where the Neo 2 moves from being a gadget to being a robot. The most significant leap in the Neo 2 is the addition of forward LiDAR and an omnidirectional vision system. The original Neo was blind. It relied on GPS and downward sensors. If you flew it toward a tree, it would hit the tree. But the Neo 2 is different. The inclusion of LiDAR, light detection and ranging, allows the drone to build a 3D map of its surroundings in real time. This enables Active Track 6.0, an AI-driven tracking system that is smarter than some human cameraman. You can go for a high-speed bike ride through a forest, and the Neo 2 will weave through the branches, maintaining